Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting an Apple device. This is the only path to Apple Pay on a Samsung. Buy an iPhone or Apple Watch, sign in with your Apple ID, and make sure your bank supports Apple Pay. Once done, have your physical card and verification code at hand so you can add it quickly. Don't waste time trying to install Apple Pay on Android. Instead, prepare the Apple device right away so you can move to setup and pairing in the next step. Now, add your card to Wallet on the iPhone. Tap the plus icon, scan the card, or enter details manually, and complete bank verification via SMS or the bank app. If you plan to pay using an Apple Watch while keeping your Samsung phone, pair the watch to that iPhone first. Pairing is essential because the watch inherits wallet cards from the paired phone. Make sure wrist detection and passcode are enabled. Otherwise, the watch won't authorize. To complete payment, use the Apple Watch or the iPhone at a contactless terminal. On the watch, double-click the side button and present the screen to the reader. On the iPhone, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode and hold near the reader. If a payment fails, make sure the watch is unlocked, NFC is supported by the terminal, and the card shows as active in Wallet. If it still fails, restart the device and contact your bank to confirm token provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.